In the Aboriginal world, country is everything. We have sky country, land country, water country. There is no separation, nor is there any separation between the animate or the inanimate, the physical or the spiritual. There's a kind of oneness to everything. Country holds knowledge. It holds our knowledge.
In our culture, art is a must-have. It's not a nice-to-have, and I think that's what differentiates it from the way that art is viewed in the West. It's our guide to survival. It's our guide to life. It's connected to all of our knowledge, and so it becomes functional.
So when an Aboriginal person carves or paints or sculpts something from country, they are channeling the spirit and the life of the ancestor into the object they're making. And therefore objects that are made of country, whether it's stone tools or whether it's wooden coolamans or boomerangs, they are also invested with the power and spirituality of country.
As a designer, all of this philosophical way of looking at objects, it changes the way that you make decisions, because of course this art becomes a vital part of the object. They are a library, they are ceremonial objects, so every time you use them, they become vitalised and that knowledge is released.
These appliances, once they've had country wrapped around them in the form of painting by the owners of that country, by the custodians, these objects actually, or these appliances actually become art objects and become country as they're transfused with life.
These stories are stories about sustainability, they're stories about family, they're stories about caring for one another, they're stories about how to care for country. And I think these are the stories the world needs to hear.